everyone. I am Aman Kakkar, currently working as trainer at Inzpira. Many feathers adorn my cap, the most prominent ones amongst them being the gold medalist in English literature, best-selling author, winner of many literary accolades and quality researcher. However, I don't owe my professional success to my destiny, courage, luck or belief. I owe this to wonderful organization that is Inspire, where my experience has been euphoric. Well, how many of you have that habit of pronouncing Wednesday at Wednesday? Or how many of you end up being embarrassed in front of your friends on account of wrong pronunciation? I can already sense that many of your hearts are racing at the prospect of having a savior, isn't it? Well, friends, don't worry because your savior Aman Kakkar is here. Finally, I'm up with the very interesting and very fruitful Masterclass on commonly mispronounced words on 5th October 2022 at 8 p.m. See you there, friends. Don't worry because it takes time and a patience to get it right. Thank you.